Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekly business news channel. It is Monday morning, November 4, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. Wall Street major indexes ended higher on Friday, rebounding from the previous day's sell-off as Amazon's strong earnings countered a significant drop in US job growth in October. Equity markets brushed off weak US October non-farm payrolls data given disruptions from hurricanes and strikes. The jobs report offered a final look at the labor market ahead of next week's elections. The economy added just 12,000 jobs last month, with a big knock from two hurricanes and an ongoing Boeing strike. However, the unemployment rate held steady at 4.1%, reassuring investors the labor market remained on solid ground. The softer than expected October jobs report made Wall Street traders more confident that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates at both of its remaining policy meetings this year rather than sitting one out. The Fed's November meeting kicks off the following day after the US presidential election on November 5. Also, a big day for shares of Intel and Amazon.com helped major stock indexes recover from Thursday's tech-fueled sell-off. Amazon, like Microsoft and Alphabet, reported strong growth in cloud revenue. Intel reported one of its largest losses ever, but offered guidance for sales growth in the current quarter that surpassed expectations. Amazon.com rose 6.2% after it reported earnings on Thursdays that revealed strong retail sales boosting profit above Wall Street estimates. Intel jumped 7.8% after a better than expected revenue forecast. Meanwhile, Apple fell 1.2% as investors worried about a decline in its China sales during its most recent quarter. Other so-called Magnificent Seven members, Meta Platforms and Microsoft, also reported earnings earlier this week and warned on AI-related infrastructure costs. Overall, in the stock market, the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite Index led the way, rising 0.8% or 144 points to 18,239. The S&P 500 added 23 points or 0.4% to 5,728, while the Dow Jones Industrial advanced 0.7% or 289 points to 42,052. Amazon.com's gains lifted the consumer discretionary index 2.4% to more than two-year high, while utility and real estate stocks were the biggest sectoral declines. Chevron shares rose 2.8% after the company beat third quarter profit estimates on higher oil output. In other trading, the 10-year Treasury yield, a key measure on borrowing costs nationwide, finished October with its biggest monthly gain since April and kept rising to kick off November, closing Friday at 4.361%, the highest level since July 2. The 10-year yield has risen for 7 consecutive weeks, the longest such streak since October 2022. In oil trade, West Texas Intermediate crude is $69.49 a barrel. Brent crude, the international benchmark, is at $73.1 a barrel. Gold is trading at $2,736 an ounce. That's it for today, folks. I'll see you tomorrow morning. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section, what are your thoughts for the market? Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.